This is the Champion RK-6C repair kit for the 3/4 inch brass atmospheric vacuum breakers. So of course this kit is the 3/4 inch repair kit. On the back of the piece of paper that'll come with the parts, we will have a little picture breakdown, as well as a list of items that come included with the package. Now these items are the float and seal, and then the gasket set, which consists of the red fiber gasket and then the rubber gasket as well. Now starting with a couple dimensions, we will start with the float. We're going to get a total height or length. Line that up. Going to be right at about 1 1/4 inches in length. And then our red fiber gasket, going to have an outer diameter of right at about 1.5 inches, with an inner diameter of about 1.25 inches. And then this rubber gasket should measure very close to that fiber gasket. You can see outer diameter just under 1.5 inches, and then inner being right at 1.25 inches. And once again, this is the Champion RK-6C 3/4 inch repair kit for the brass atmospheric vacuum breakers.